want?
It's not a picture.
Oh.
Alright, hey guys, it's me Renziie, back with Alice. Again. I'm always with Alice. This is like...
She never leaves me alone.
This is her 4th video. 4th, and I've known you like 2 months.
Hi guys, welcome to my fridge. We have fruit and barley. Oh, can get a bit tipsy on Saturday night. Badelle butter. Onion cheese. Cheese! I forgot I had this.
I was gonna tell you...
Oh my god, no! Oh, it's got mold on it!
Disgusting. I was gonna tell you a joke about pizza, but I thought you might find it a bit too cheesy.
Get out my house.
This is the student cooking show. Because we're students. And we're gonna be cooking. Trying to decide what to cook.
I feel like we should have to do a little rat in my hair. Like, tell me what to cook.
She just called me a rat. I've done cooking on this channel before, and technically it's always been a student cooking show because I've always been a student. But what? Well, think about it. We're students.
Before.
Yeah, but like now we're uni students, so it's a bit different. We're gonna show you how to cook quick and easy and affordable meals. It is that affordable if you were able to afford it. So what are we cooking? Looks like I'm gonna have to decide. I'm always the one deciding in this relationship. Gosh. Gosh, Alice. Huh? You'll be privileged to be with me. Absolutely privileged. It's like having smiley faces and onion rings. It's because you just left them out.
Deformed, isn't it? Half me if I was.
It looks like you. You guys are twins. We have even started cooking and Alice has dropped everything. What's wrong with you, Alice?
Can't pick up this goddamn teaspoon.
So as you can see, maybe Alice isn't meant to cook.
What is wrong with me?
We've decided on what we're making. Are you excited? I'm gonna fight her. Tuna, mayo, smiley faces.
2 of each.
Sure. Look, I'm lit pinkly. Alice, me and you are gonna fight, I'm telling you. Alright guys, so our quick and easy, affordable meal involves
Tuna. God damn it.
Do you know how to use a tin opener?
Yeah, I do. I just get struggle with it. Is it going? Oh, got it. I got it. Oh, I can't do it. Can you do it?
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Go on, do it. Do it for the vlog. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vlog.
I'm not gonna do it.
2 hours later.
Do you want help? Or have you done it now?
Yeah.
Alice, shut up. I'm trying to record. So what we're making tuna wraps with smiley faces and a singular onion ring each because we're students, so we can't afford more than one onion ring, of course. So if you want to make this meal at home, it will cost you less than £5, I think.
And tuna's pretty damn expensive.
Apart from the
replace
tuna.
it with anything.
But yeah, you gotta treat yourself sometimes. So sometimes
It's like £3.
£3 for tuna.
4 tins.
Oh, see, look, £3 for 4 tins, so that means 1 tin is 75p.
Onions
And we're
are
using 75p.
That then is 150.
So yeah,
2 smiles each for £1 a bag. That lasts you a long time.
we are making a meal that if you buy these ingredients, it will last you ages.
Damn tin, I just cut myself.
Only get tuna if you can actually work a tin. If not, maybe it's not the quick and easy, affordable meal for you. Yeah, so literally all you need is John West tuna, because when you're getting fish, you don't want to mess around with no fake fish. Even if you are a student, you can't
They're kind
be
of dolphins.
dying. What?
They don't hurt dolphins.
John West doesn't hurt dolphins.
It says something about dolphins.
Dolphins are sweet. If you watched Finding Dory, you would see.
Or The Cove. Have you seen The Cove?
No.
That's about killing dolphins.
You can get a bag of smileys if you want to be a bit healthier, even though we're frying food. You can get a bag of sweet potato smileys and onion rings. But yeah, as I said, we've only got one each. Time now is 7:25 and we're almost done already. Like, there's the tuna. You just got to slap this mayo in there, wait for that to fry, and we're done.
Do you like onion? Yeah,
sure. Even look at that. A cheap onion to just give it a bit of flavour. Cutting skill.
I did food tech.
What did you get in food tech?
Inside.
Man, like. Should I put mayo in here?
Well, yeah.
Oh, it's open. Do you have a spoon? My job is to put the mayo into the tuna. So let's do it. How much mayo do I put?
Well, how much you like?
I don't know, my mum usually does this for me.
Oh my god. All you can live off is noodles, so...
It looks wrong. Isn't it meant to go grey?
Oh my god, you're really bad at this.
It's not grey yet. It's meant to go grey, right?
Yeah, because you meant to put more mayo in.
No, once you put the mayo in, it goes grey. Alice doesn't think I'm skilled enough to mix the tuna, so she took over. See, look, it's going grey. Told you.
Oh no.
What is that mixing? That is not mixing.
Yeah, because you meant to put the mayonnaise in it.
That's not mixing, is it? How's our fried food looking?
Oh, fair. A bit crispy.
Fried food is all done in this top line fryer thingy-majig. But yeah, so this is quality student cooking for y'all.
Do you like tomato sauce?
No, that is trash. Oh, I forgot we were making wraps.
Simpleton.
Did you just call me a simpleton? You're the simpleton. You're the one who electrocuted yourself. Alice electrocuted herself.
I'm George, you're Lenny.
Oh, never, never, never. I can guarantee that if we were George and Lenny, I would be George, she would be Lenny. How do you wrap your wraps?
The right way, of course.
Let's see if it's the right way. Let's see, is this the right way?
Put a little salt in it.
I love how you cut it like how Tesco and Sainsbury's cut theirs, like so it's slanted. Okay, so we're serving up now. I last told you the time at 7:25. It's now 7:32. So that whole meal took 10 minutes, like less than 10 minutes. See, quick, easy, affordable. We're gonna taste test to Alice. Ready, Alice? Okay, don't wait for me. It's good. It's actually nice. I haven't had like proper food in ages. Thank you. So yes, that was our quick, easy, affordable meals. You say it, Alice.
Quick, affordable meals.
Yeah, see, it cost less than a £5. Took less than 10 minutes to eat, make, and then it was easy. Come on, even like a 10-year-old could do that. I'm gonna eat this now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next week with another video. Alice, have you got anything to add?
I'll probably be in next week's video, so.
Yeah, she probably will. So say bye.
Bye.